Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to introduce you to a new RTI driver. This new driver is for Acurus processors for Muse and Act4. This driver is for free as has been supported by India Audio Labs. So you can download this for free on our website, or you can find it on the RTI forum inside third-party drivers. So let's go a bit and show a bit of products compatible. Muse. I've been using this device for weeks for driver development, and honestly, it's one of the greatest products I ever seen in home cinemas. It's a really good MIDI processor, and sound quality is awesome. The response with the RTI system is also incredible. It's really fast. I can show it a bit forward, and you could see how basically works with the RTI. And the Act 4 is also compatible with this driver. So then when we go into the driver, we will see how to select between one device and the other to be integrated. As I say, you can find the driver on my website for free download. You can download it and add it to your project. Description of the driver, okay. This is a two-way TCP and IS-232 EPIX compatible driver. And as I said before, it supports integration with Acurus, Muse and the Act 4. Here you can find all the system functions you're able to control with RTI, such as power control, mute control and others. And then you will find also system variables for this driver, includes the power, mute, volume and others. The current version is the initial release is 1.0. This is an important note. I want to note that if you're going to use IS-232 control, no modem cable is required. This is a nice function here to control. This is the front panel brightness. So if you're going to watch a movie, you can also change the brightness on the RTI, send it to the Acurus, and that way dim the screen so it won't disturb while you watch a movie. Let's go into the Acurus. This is the Acurus web GUI interface. Comes with the device, quite nice, quite easy to use. And then you have the power. You can have the up down volume control. You have the mute here, and you have input selection, so you can select what input you want to control, different modes, and then you have different settings. You can have most of all these functions as shown on our website. You can control. You have the two-way to control. So let's go into the RTI software, into the Apex. I already created a project where they have the driver included, virtual panel and the processor. So this is the driver information. Okay, it shows what type of connections for the IS-232, what port must be used, and on the TCP what IP you're going to use. So we can just going to delete this. Sorry. So here we can just go into driver properties, and here we have already set up a system over TCP IP control, and the model that I want to use is the Muse. So you can just swap between the Act 4 if you're going to use it. Basically commands are the same, but it's something to do with the inputs. So some device has more inputs than the other one. And here you can set up between IS-232, so you can select what port you're going to use. So we're going to use the TCP IP. There we have it. So fine, we can load the project basically. So I'm going to send it. And we can go a bit through what I did on the virtual panel. Right? This is something to do with layers and the control of everything. So basically I have a master top bar where the only thing I have on this master top bar is the Acurus logo, and I have the power toggle with the feedback. Okay. This driver is totally Apex compatible, so it goes with the tags, default tags, so it's easy for programmers. So fine. Then what I've done is we can go to the GUI interface here. When we turn off, everything disappears. So basically what I have done is on the home page, the visibility, if the device is on, we will find that this page will appear. Right? Then we have, of course, page flips, like we've seen. If we want to go to the input page, or if we want to go to the sound mode page, setting page, or whatever. So you can see the different modes you have here. So we can go through everything, but not necessary. We're going to do something basic here. I'm not going to go into details of swapping inputs and everything. So basically I want to show you also that you can have basically the different modes for audio. So you can select on a function, or you can have the power. You have power on, off, the toggle. Go to the mute, you have on, off, toggle. Volume, up and down. This is if you want to have a direct volume control, so maybe you want to switch between sources, you want to send also this value as possible. Input, you can swap him into the 8 HDMI inputs this device have, 2 optical coax or analogs. So you can select what you want to do. Then we have different modes shown before. So we have auto, direct, stereo, all these down here. Restart. This is a quick button that if you want to restart the unit, it's possible just by calling this function. The brightness, you can have it on auto mode or set it to low, medium, high. So I like to set on low mode, whatever I want. Then I have different Dolby configurations. If you want to set it on or off. DTS, same. And then if you want to have direct bass level, goes from these values. Then if you want to go up or down the bass, same for the treble. And then if you want to have a lip sync or milliseconds, and up, down. And same we have all the variables. So in this case we have a tag here that shows which mode is currently selected here. Okay. So we're just going to delete this. And we can go to this panel here, and we can go also to here. Basically we can see the two-way. You turn on, comes on straight away, and we have the same labels here. Okay, so we can go up, down, we can go into the input selections. So we can say we want to input 3, 7, different inputs. As you see here, this went to a 10% volume. and we have it here the same settings. Okay, we're going on auto mode 7 and all this. We turn off here, everything disappears. And just wanted to know that we have different modes also that you can select and configure it. So well, this is Morris from Drivers Digital. Thank you for your time watching this video. Thank you guys.